gives her bounty, and the Father sky gives his rain. Gone are the days of the warm nights and the gentle summer rains, and now the darkness sets in. Let us remember all of the ways that we come together in community, and let us remember all of the ways that we are blessed. The Sun King embraces the mother in her fullness. The fruits of labor she now bears. Dance in celebration, for the harvest time is here. Feast and mirth are ours to share. To fruition. Now is the time of thanks and gratitude. We turn the seasons wheel and the darkness closes in. Listen as the crow whispers to you.
Go see my mom and Carol.
She sings of the seeds worked upon the field. She sings of the harvest that it gives. She sings of the crops that have fallen to the ground, and the seeds of life yet to lay. And she says, rest in my darkness, turn your spirit inward, dwell upon the seed and your own spark of life. Think of all you've conquered, think of all you've done, and transform within the magic of the darkening time. Rest in my darkness, turn your spirit inward, dwell upon the seed and your own spark of life. Think of all you've conquered, think of all you've done, and transform within the magic of the darkening time. Listen as the crow whispers.